Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying hardware, cables snug, monitors powered, and the correct input selected. Open Settings, System, Display, then click Detect if a screen is missing. Once done, press Windows key plus P to pick Duplicate or Extend. Choose Extend to expand your workspace. Make sure you use the Identify button to see which monitor is 1 or 2, because knowing their order is necessary for arranging them correctly in the next steps. You now arrange screens logically. Drag the blue tiles to mirror physical placement, and align their tops so your cursor doesn't get stuck. Set each display's resolution and scaling to its native values. This prevents blurry text and mismatched sizes. Once configured, choose which monitor is primary so taskbar and new windows open where you want them. If one display needs portrait mode, change orientation. This ensures consistent movement between screens. Finish by applying settings and restarting Windows so changes stick. Update your graphics drivers manually if colors or resolutions are wrong. If a monitor stays blank, swap cables and ports or connect it to another computer to isolate the fault. Once done, recheck display settings and advanced display settings for refresh rate mismatches. If a recent driver caused problems, roll back in Device Manager. These steps solve most issues, if not hardware repair or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.